Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start today's news. Alright, so monetary spirit that they call cut offside, Calcium, Napoli and Football London, they let us know say Arsenal don't make contact with Osimhen entourage, Osimhen team, against for a possible summer transfer deal. So the one over in head they get whether they interested in signing for Arsenal. So as I saw this report, I actually saw because when I do research this morning, I saw it on Football London, I saw it on Cut Offside, I saw it on Calcio Napoli. So all these things can make me very happy. So okay, let's just see how they go, because the team is say we know so we're not going to sign anybody now, but at least we'll just register our interest, because don't forget the president of Napoli, De Laurentiis, don't come outside already can confirm say Osimhen is leaving Napoli at the end of the season. This is common knowledge, everybody knows this. So everybody don't be interested in the deal. Chelsea are interested. I believe Chelsea self don't even open talks. I saw the reports sometime yesterday. Manchester United, I know they are still interested. Arsenal did there. So at the end of the day, we never really know who will sign the player. In fact, everybody feel offer the guy their project, but the guy ain't go choose. And where each club finishes at the end of the season is going to play a very, very big role, which is why the top four race is going to be very, very tough. If Arsenal still maintain their top four status, can't get Champions League football, it will be like a bargaining chip for us again, because the likes of Chelsea will do when they play, and also Chelsea finishing in the top four. Manchester United are still there, they are still there. Anything can say happen, for many games still remain. So let's just keep our fingers crossed and be observing and see how everything will unfold. Alright, away from that, so today Arsenal will play Nottingham Forest for the City ground. You get, so will they play away to Nottingham Forest. So this match, I don't know, anytime we meet Nottingham Forest, it's always difficult for us, because in all competitions we don't lose the last 3 times for City, and this their home, this City ground, this home, the last 3 times. But when we check the head-to-head for the EPL, when you check the last 5 games, so we don't play for this ground. For EPL alone, no cups not included. So you will see say for the last 5 games, Arsenal actually lose 2, win 2, and draw 1. In fact, last season, I believe they knock us 1-0, and Taiwo Awoniyi nice scored the goal. So the guy played very well for that match. He scored. So even if we watch the press conference so Arteta do yesterday, Arteta confirmed with his mouth. Say these people, the last 2 times we played them, they knock us like they are like our Achilles heel. They always find it very, very difficult to play against them. So this time around, we need to be at our best to actually beat them. They get some good players like Morgan Gibbs-White, Elanga, Taiwo Awoniyi. Elanga and Awoniyi, they began injury, but I did hear their coach when they come outside, they talk say then go say they are coming back. I think their coach is Nuno Espirito Santos, so he's coming out to say these players are going to be back. They say they don't recover, but their fitness level never 100% complete. But he's thinking of adding them. So more just watch. We need to bring our A game. If we want to make sure so we win this game. So that's what it will be. More just wait now. Nights they go play on Nigerian time. Our nights get so more just say how it will be. Alright, so for AFCON, this AFCON, this year's AFCON, just is somehow interesting. Do you know that Senegal are out of AFCON? Because when you watch what happened yesterday, Ivory Coast actually defeated Senegal through penalties, guys. Because I think 4-5 minutes when match starts, Senegal don't bust them to post scoring. That kind of 83-84 minutes, guys, they can't give Ivory Coast penalty. In fact, the referee first thought it would be penalty because they give Pepe, former Arsenal player, through ball when they threw on goal, so Baba won't go score. Edouard Mendy, former Chelsea goalkeeper, just clear my guy. As he clear him, so referee first of all give Pepe yellow card, say na dive Pepe dive. Before they call VAR come and say Baba go check the pitch side monitor. Say what he do, no be the right decision. Baba come go check and confirm. Say na Pepe first kick the ball before keeper clear my guy. So referee come blow penalty with Frank Kessie, bomb bam, and he enter. So now Ivory Coast will say people they knock them since so they can't beat almighty Senegal. Senegal don't come out now. So Ivory Coast don't qualify. So today we'll see to happen between Morocco and South Africa, because when you look at the way things be, Nigeria are the favorites now. Maybe you go add the likes of Morocco, because people say Morocco. I don't know how good is Morocco. Well, today I go watch their match against South Africa, make I see how good they did. So we'll just watch how things they unfold. Alright, so David Ornstein himself come as I can talk say Arsenal are running things close with financial fair play. So if you think maybe Arsenal will do any late deal for this January, say it is very, very unlikely, because that transfer, that financial fair play, it really hold Arsenal for truth. But Babako just say Arsenal are planning a very, very big transfer for the summer. Like for the summer, they will be very, very active. Nobody Arsenal will be active for the summer. Arsenal and other big clubs. I mean, if I don't talk this in the past, say now for the summer that Arsenal will be very, very active, because whatever dealings you do from the summer is going to be reflecting in the 2024-2025 annual reports, the financial reports, where you go tender to the FA. So that's why people don't want to really do any business now, because whatever business you do now will reflect in the 2023-2024 report, and it will indict you, can make you breach the financial fair play, profitability and sustainability regulation policy. So that's what Arsenal are trying to evade. So we just see how everything will end at the end of the day. Just bear in mind, say for summer transfer, AJ will spend. Alright, so Borussia Dortmund, they don't scout Arsenal player where they call Chido or B Martin multiple times. So now what will they hear from Fabrizio Romano? Although Arsenal just get confidence, say the boy no go betray them, go join Dortmund, because Dortmund know how to groom young players and develop them. This boy, when they score goals are plenty. Not better than I play one match, he score like 8 goals for one match. The guy they score well for all those under 19 and under 16. They score for them well, so we dey proud of him. In fact, he get bright future. That's why Arsenal don't use and play. Yeah, so they say the boy they like 17, never reached the age where they give him professional contracts. So that's why Dortmund when they snoop around. Yeah, so but more just to see how this go. I just believe say no go betray Arsenal. Alright, so Cedric Soares, Baba never leave, we see the wait, because today na 30 now. So what's the man? What's the hold the deal from happening? Galatasaray and Besiktas, what's the sub? So because Fabrizio let us know say this guy will leave at the end of the season. In fact, not so long ago we got a report saying we'll go Galatasaray for a deal in the region of 5 million. So the actual fee, when I did my research, I can find out now 4.3 million. Yeah, so but what's it on the hold the deal? Why it never materialized? So we never really go. We never really know. So let's just keep observing. Like I tell now, I see they do the countdown. Today at 30. Well, we know what we do now. We just still observe and see what will happen. Without any miracle. Even though David Ornstein say a late deal for Arsenal is highly unlikely, but what's the watch? Alright, so this morning I can stumble upon another report from the London Evening Standard where they let us know say Benzema don't they offered to teams ready for Europe, say Arsenal, United and Chelsea they included. So this one now it don't they official say because they say Benzema is still desperate to actually leave. So they don't they offer the guy to teams now. So I don't know because this is Ornstein they say Arsenal will do any late deal. I will see from the London Evening Standard. So they offer the player to Arsenal. Now they are offering him to us, not just us. We and other people, Leon inclusive, but Leon is there for Europe. So at the end of the day, are we going to be paying the half of the fee? Because one point they talked some days ago say make Arsenal go actually pay half of the fee because the guy is earning over £1 million per week. So just go meet them, tell them say you go pay 500k part of that money. So they go pay half, you go pay half. They make the player come here. So are we going to be seeing a late dramatic finishing of the transfer window? Well, we'll just watch. Anyhow, once I get clarity on some of this news, I will let you know. Now, moving on. So the Daily Mail come as calculator say Arteta wants to build a legacy at Arsenal. That is why him no one leave midway to a project. You know what come out. Instead get believe say instead get a lot of time to spend here. He gets to win so many things. In fact, Arteta done here like 4 years. Part of those 4 years, 2 years now we take do COVID-19. And I remember, Arteta said mentioned it. Say people keep forgetting. Say we did here 2 years COVID-19. We don't really raise enough revenue. How many people they come stadium? They play behind closed door. Like people forget all these things. Are part of our history. But at the end of the day, we just did very, very happy to say our project will go in the right direction. Mo just gets that striker we need. Get once you don't show up that striking department, then I believe will be a very, very formidable team. You get and with the potential incoming of a potential arrival of this Martin Zubimendi. If that happens, that guy na another Rodri, the boy good playmaker. Now deep line playmaker na be and defensive midfielder, but the guy he sabi. So if Arsenal still get him, make it come be an upgrade to Thomas Partey. We go fit leave at the end of the season. I said fit leave because we never really know Arteta mind. Even though Thomas Partey has 1 year left on his contract, they still give the guy a bumper deal. Don't be surprised. So but suppose just a watch. Alright, so Juventus don't officially enter the race to sign Osimhen. Now the reason why Juventus they enter the race, now the fact is they get this belief say Osimhen really understands the Serie A and themselves get Champions League as a bargaining chip to offer him. So they believe say they fit sell Vlahovic for the summer, then they'll bring in Osimhen. Now the way with them they think, because they believe say some people will come poach, because once the summer don't reach, people will ever go for Vlahovic. They will test the resolve of Juventus whether they will fit sell the player. And part of those people, Arsenal fit dey there. But don't forget, Vlahovic is still in the run, to swap clubs. So and this everyone test EPL. So remember what De Laurentiis said. Say Osimhen fit go PSG, Madrid, or a top English club. Arsenal is a top English club. We are there in the grand scheme of things. So we just observe how everything will be. But just know from today, say Juventus have set their eyes on Osimhen. You get? And it's very, very easy for any player to move from an Italian club to another Italian club than from an Italian club to the EPL. So that's what it just be. But let's keep watching. Alright, so Robbie Savage will be one of the pundits out there. Instead of comment section and say Arsenal will get goals today. Say this match will Arsenal play against Nottingham Forest. Instead Arsenal winning 3-1 because Arsenal will come prepared. Nottingham Forest on the other hand, then they'll be a good team, good attacking side. But the problem is say most of their players are not 100% fit. You get? And for the fact say in the last 3 times they don't meet for this city ground, Nottingham Forest beats Arsenal. That one going to give Nottingham Forest the solace, the impetus, the ginger. Say, for this place, we die here. But Arsenal self, we come break history because we cannot let this historical pattern to continue. So we need to come here and disrupt it, set a new record. So now what we try to do today for night when the match will start. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that I get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. That came out.